Hello there guys, and welcome to M16 modeling tutorial part 8. So let's get started. And what you want to do is go to insert edge loop. I insert an edge loop here, and you want to insert one here as well, and here and here. And now you want to go to face mode and select all the faces here and here, and then you want to duplicate the faces, and then if you click off your object and then re-click them, and then if you got them both selected, you want to go to combine, and that will do. And then you want to select all the faces again, and you want to extrude them, and you just want to pull them out in Z just a little bit, like that. Okay, so now what you want to do is you want to select the top 4 faces on both, like that, and then you want to extrude and just pull these up to here, and just pull them up a little bit more, like that. And remember to scale them in a Y to keep them nice and straight. Insert another edge loop here and here, and again select all the vertexes across here and scale in the Y. So you want to scale these like that, and just pull these down a bit. And now you want to select these 4 faces here and the ones on this side, and then you want to go to edit mesh and bridge, go to the options and do the divisions to 0. And now what you can do is you can go to your front view, grab these top vertexes and just pull them back here, and then you can do the same with the other side as well. Grab these vertexes and just pull these across like that. And now what you want to do after when you've lined them up is you want to select these faces here, and you want to extrude them up all the way to the top to about there. And now you want to insert edge loop and insert one here, and then you want to go to face mode and select all these faces here and extrude these as well, and you want to lift these up, and then you want to extrude again. Select the back vertexes and just line them up properly if yours aren't already. Okay, select the top 4 faces again, you want to extrude, and you want to pull them like this. Okay, and now you want to insert, select the top vertexes and just scale in Y just to straighten them up. Go to insert edge loop and insert one about here, and then select all these vertexes here and just make sure they're straight by scaling down in a Y again. Okay, and now you want to select these 4 faces and these 4 on the other side, and again you want to go to edit mesh and bridge, and you want to get the divisions to 0. And you can select all the top faces this time, and you want to extrude them, and you want to pull them up slightly, then scale in the X, then again extrude, and just pull them up and then scale in the X, and just one more time, just pull it up and scale in the X. And now you can like move these vertexes to make them nice and smooth. Make sure that it's got a nice curve on it. Okay. And now what you want to do is you can isolate it, and you want to insert all these faces inside, and then you want to go to your barrel, and you want to select these edges here and these here, and you want to delete these, and that should be okay. Now you want to select these two faces and these two faces, and you just want to extrude, and now if you select these two faces and scale down in the Y, you can straighten them up, and these in the X, and straighten these up. And now just go to split polygon tool and insert a split from here to here, and same on the other side, here to here. Oh, god damn it. And now you want to select the bottom faces and delete them, and select these two bottom faces as well and delete these. And you want to select these vertexes and just merge them together, and do the same on the other side if you didn't. Now append poly and click this edge to this edge, and this edge to this edge, and now go to insert edge loop and just get it roughly to where the other one is, so to about there. And if it ain't, you can line it up in your front view, but anyway, you want to select these faces here and delete, and these faces on this side, delete, and then you want to merge vertex, and you want to merge the vertexes together like this. Okay. And now you can go to split polygon tool and insert split here to here, and same on the other side, and then you can select this edge, all of it, and delete it. So if you grab these vertexes and you just pull it out in the X just a bit, and put all these two downwards just to about there, then you're going to have to select this vertex and just pull it in like that, just to keep it nice and plain, which means straight, planer. Okay, so now insert an edge loop here and scale in the Y like so, and you want to insert another edge loop here. And you can pull this vertex up just a little bit, like this. And now you want to straighten these two up by scaling in the X. Okay, so now you want to select these faces here and these here and delete them. In fact, just delete the top ones and extrude the side ones. And then you want to merge all the vertexes together and merge these, and then you want to select these faces here and extrude them and pull them out just a little bit. Okay, then you can select the right side of your model and just delete it and make sure it's half. Okay, and now you're going to have to delete all these inside faces. Okay, so you just want to delete them all. And just keep deleting the inside faces. Okay, so that should be it. Do not delete the others since we'll need them. So now you want to insert a split from here to here. And then you want to merge these vertexes together. And then you can go to edit mesh and append poly and just append these and these. And now you're going to have to go back to vertex mode never mind. So you want to go to split polygon tool and insert a split here to here, down here. Like that. And then you can merge these vertexes together. Okay, and now you want to select these bottom two edges here and just bevel, and you want the offset to be about about 0.35. Okay, and now you can go to merge vertex tool and merge that vertex, and then delete this edge here, then go back to merge vertex tool and merge these two together, this and this, and then you can go to split polygon tool and insert a split from here to here. In fact, if you select that edge there and bevel it, and you do the offset to be about 0.9, 0.95, you can go to vertex mode merge vertex tool, and you can merge these two vertexes together and merge this one with this, and then you can go to your split polygon tool and insert split here to here to here. Yep. And you can move this vertex down. Okay. And then go to normals, set normal angle, and do it to 32 degrees. And that'll get rid of that odd colouring in your model. Okay. So if you delete that edge and select them two edges and just bevel, what you can do then is split polygon tool and insert split here to here, and then go to merge vertex tool and merge these together like that, and this one with this. And you can move that vertex just across like that. And insert a split up here to this one, and then you can delete this edge here. Okay, then you can like select these bottom two faces and extrude these downwards and pull them down there. Then you want to scale in the Y and pull these down, and then you want to extrude these faces. I'll just select that one face and just extrude that one face there. And you just want to pull it down there, then select this edge, this face, sorry, and just extrude it out. And then select this bottom face and just extrude this, and pull this down. Grab these two vertexes and just drag them across, and pull them two down as well. Now if you select both of these edges and bevel, that'll be alright. And then you can go to split polygon tool, and you want to make sure you get it on the right edge, so there, and then you want to delete these back faces here. Okay, and then you want to do the same with the other side as well. Select both the two faces and just extrude them downwards. And then you want to scale them in a Y, and then just pull them down just a bit more. And you can insert a edge loop across there. Then again you can scale, just keep it nice and straight. And then you want to pull this vertex just back in the X. And what you're going to have to do then is select these two vertexes, or these four, and just pull them up like this. Grab these two and just pull them downwards. And then you want to extrude this face down. And you want to grab these vertexes right down here, all these ones, and you just want to pull them back in the X. And then you can pull them two vertexes outwards. And now extrude the front face and just pull it out just a little bit. don't put that out that much, just put that out just a little bit. Thread fixes it later, so delete these back faces and select these bottom edges here, these ones and the back ones, and you want to bevel, and then you can do a split polygon tool and you set a split from here to here, and then you can select this face here and here and just pull these back, and like I said, just pull them out just a little bit. And now you want to select the whole model, mirror geometry, do the direction in +Y, and do pivot Z to about 0.25, and you want to merge vertexes, and you want the merge threshold to be about 0.01. And then you can select these two edges and just bevel, and the offset to be about 0.25. And grab all them vertexes and just scale them in the Z, and then you want to go to split polygon tool and insert a split here to here and here to here. And finally just grab these two faces and just lift these up just a little bit. Grab these two faces and these two and just pull them out in the X just a little bit. Like that. And that's it for part 8. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.